Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something French. I'm going to make Croque Monsieur. Mais oui. So if you don't know what a Croque Monsieur is, it's basically a very fancy cheese and ham toastie or grilled cheese with ham. And it's wonderful. It's a bit of a faff, but well worth it. And actually, I've always wondered where the name comes from, but never bothered to look it up. However, today I have. Croque means crunch or bite, and Monsieur, you know, is Mr. Man, gentleman. So basically, it's a crunchy bite for a bloke. I don't know quite how they work that out. But there is also Croque Madame, which is exactly the same thing, but with a fried egg on top. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not doing that. I'm doing the male version. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And let's get on with it. Croque Monsieur. So one of the things that makes a Croque Monsieur so special is it's got bechamel sauce in it and on it. So that's the first thing you need to make. I've got 125ml of milk, 125ml of double cream, heavy cream. I've got 25 grams of unsalted butter, 25 grams of plain all-purpose flour, and a quarter teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, and half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. So let's get over to the stove and make the sauce. Get yourself a small saucepan on medium heat and melt the butter in it. When the butter's melted, stir in the flour. You're aiming to get a smooth paste. Let that cook for a minute or so, and then add the milk, stir that in. When that's combined, add the cream and stir that in as well. And then add your salt, your pepper and your nutmeg. Let that cook for a few minutes until it reaches a consistency that's like soft butter. And then take that off the heat and you can let it cool down. You don't need to try and keep it warm. Okay, on we go. And before I go any further, I'll just explain about all this stuff on my sleeve of this, you know, newly laundered and freshly ironed shirt. This is pollen off these gorgeous lilies, and well, I tried to brush it off there and it's not, you know, it's left a stain, so I don't know quite what I'm going to do. Chuck in the wash again, I suppose. Anyway, for your sandwiches you need bread, obviously, so I got a little sourdough loaf from the supermarket, because I don't make my own sourdough anymore. But I think I should really start, and I would have liked a much bigger one, but anyway, you want like 4 slices of that. I'm going to make 2 sandwiches. You want some ham. This is a French style of ham called torchon. You can use any good quality ham you can get your hands on. And then you want cheese. I've got a mixture of 3 different cheeses, 60 grams each. So this is cheddar, that is Comté, good old French cheese, and this is Emmental with the holes in it, which is Swiss. You can use any combination of cheeses that you want, as long as they're good and melty and taste like cheese. And then for the topping we've got more cheese. That's about 50 grams of cheddar and 25 grams of Parmesan. And also I've got a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now all of these cheeses need to be grated, and this bread needs to be sliced. So mix your 3 cheeses together, and then mix in some Dijon mustard. Now slice your bread. You want nice thick slices, yeah, about like that, about 1.5 centimetres. Now you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for a fan oven convection oven. That's 200 for a normal one, and that is gas 6. And now we will build our doorsteps. So we'll start with the bottoms. So just dollop some bechamel on there. So actually a quarter of what we've got. Now pile on some cheese. And then put some ham on top of that. These are massive as well, massive slices. And then spread some mustard on the ham. And then more cheese on top of that. And your lid. Outrageous, I know. Melt a good knob of butter in a frying pan. And then place your sandwiches in and cook them for 2 minutes on each side. Take them out of the pan and put them in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. There we go. Now we'll just dollop the remaining bechamel sauce on top and sprinkle it with the grated cheddar and parmesan. Then we'll put that in the oven for about 5 minutes and then turn on the grill, the broiler, to finish it off for a few minutes till it's golden brown and bubbling. Okay, I reckon they're ready. Oh yeah. Smells fantastic. So let's cut them open and do a taste test. Okay, I'm looking forward to this. Actually, it's probably a job for a knife and fork, but we'll see how we get on. That is beyond decadent. It's absolutely fantastic. So if you ever feel like a supercharged cheese and ham toastie, go to Paris or make your own. Croque Monsieur. So, thanks for watching and see you next time.